got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
So I got they're 415 ZV5s. Right now I got them on two Ruthless 8500s. Got them game matched at half ohm each.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? I did a 160-1.7 yesterday in the lane.
Oh yeah.
I did my music average is like a 59.9 and 160 right in there. So.
Oh yeah, that's great.
Yeah, you know we're getting
playing at it, man.
No, yeah,
the room is getting out.
Yeah.
You gonna go to the 10K?
Oh, I want to. I talked to Ben yesterday, man. I hope he works out a deal for me, man.
Yeah. He working, man. He working. Yeah, he working. He getting out there.
Yeah, we're gonna make it happen, man. We're gonna goal by next year. Staying on a 10K. I'm gonna do a 140 parking pound.
Yeah.
And then I want to hit a 63, 64 on the headrest, man.
I think you can get there. If this thing is impressive, bro, let them know they can follow you at.
You can follow us on Team Deadly Decibels, man, or you can go to Team Deadly Decibels, Daniel Swears, or at TikTok. You know what I'm saying? Facebook. I haven't got a whole bunch of media opened up yet, man, but
okay. You know, I'll be sure to tag him out. I'll put you in the group too.
Appreciate you, man. Thank you. And so, hey, go to Team Deadly Decibels, or you get Daniel Swears.
Okay, I'm gonna tag you in the video.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you, man.
Bro.
Gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.